I think I got really lucky with McNeil's because they were so thoughtful and forward-thinking and in for now. You know, they were 100% in.
Well, we actually we needed to partner with somebody because of the need for additional help in our trade. Unfortunately, we have about 50% of the technicians in the automotive arena retiring in the next 4 to 7 years, and there's only 10% coming into the industry or trade. So unfortunately, we were already starting to feel some of the repercussions of not having a large enough pool or body to pull from. And we needed to have a partner to give us a little different avenue and a different way of approaching and exposing the trade, the skills necessary to become an automotive technician. So it was a great partnership.
And also at McNeil's, one of the cool things that they did was not only they support it and they kind of helped us, hey, this is what it takes to become an automotive technician, this is the kind of pay scale. He would come and talk to the students, all that great stuff. He also helped to provide one of his lead technicians and his most certified technician to come and help us.
It's pretty fun to see that they can learn and pick it up very quickly if they're interested in it, and that there's a lot of potential there for them, and you could potentially change someone's life and put them into a good career path that they might not have ever been exposed to otherwise.
They donated a scan tool, which are, you know, very expensive. They're the things that do the diagnostic with the computer and all that. They also gave us cabinets in our shop and things like that, stools that we have, and we've actually put them throughout the school. And it was very nice of them to do that.
I know without having the involvement of Canyon School District, we would not have been really where we're at today, and the program would not have evolved to where it is today. And our partner with Napa Corporate, which is based out of Atlanta, they've come here and echoed over and over that the information they've received from Canyon School District and how they've supported the program is the reason they've got behind this so strong and are looking forward to where it's going to be in the next 3 to 5 years.
To get this award means a lot to me personally, because this is the way we conduct our business and strive to be recognized for what we do. Elated.
Well, I'll tell you, that gives me chills now thinking about it, because we had no idea that that's something that was even on the horizon. Knowing that they're respecting, appreciating, and recognizing a program that truly is in need. You know, it's just not our industry. Really, blue-collar trade skills are in need all throughout the United States, and you can't just sit by the wayside and wait for things to happen. So knowing that Canyons is recognizing what we've done, I think is hopefully a good step in the right direction, and will carve some opportunities for other businesses to do the same thing.